Relax and enjoy the breeze with Inventor's Portable Air Conditioner. Rated A Energy Class, and in combination with using the new environmentally friendly R290 refrigerant gas, the chilly offers optimum efficiency alongside low energy consumption. It's easily portable and it's discreet in size, giving you great flexibility around the home. Like all portable air conditioners, Chilly does require a window or a vent to the outside, and supplied with the air conditioner you do have the easy to install window kit, suitable for all sliders and also double hung windows. So you simply adjust that window slider, you put that hose into place, and you're able to enjoy cold, fast, pleasant air. Reaching just 50 decibels, Chilly does provide you with the ideal room conditions with low noise levels and maximum comfort. Enjoy perfect air whilst you're sleeping or resting by selecting the sleep mode. Now, this feature is going to allow you to set a time for Chilly to automatically adjust to pleasant sleeping conditions, which will then allow you to just focus on relaxing. Now, to add to the simplicity and also the luxury, you do have the remote control. Now, this will allow you to cycle between modes, to select the timer or that sleep mode, or just to adjust the fan speed. Now, it's very simple to use even in the darkest room thanks to the clear LED screen, meaning that you don't have to get up to switch on the light to get a better view. All Inventor air conditioners do come with a 2-year warranty, but the high quality production does ensure impeccable performance and long-term operation even in the most demanding conditions. Chilly is the hottest trend in cooling innovation, providing ideal conditions for you and your family.
Keep your environment comfortable and quiet anytime, from anywhere, with the Pinguino Smart Portable Air Conditioner with Wi-Fi connection and smart speaker compatibility. Great for spaces up to 700 square feet, this unit's cooling and heating modes let you choose your ideal temperature. Dehumidifier and fan functions are also available when you need them. One of the most convenient things about this unit is that it's extremely portable, so you can move it from room to room. Plus, setup is simple and requires no tools, thanks to the included window kit. It's so easy to use, too. Just download the Pinguino app and remotely adjust the temperature, setting schedules, fan speeds, and modes right from your smartphone or tablet. You can even connect it to your smart speakers for simple voice control. Or just manually make changes with the light-up sensor touch panel or the included remote. Keep excess noise to a minimum by selecting the Whisper Cool option. Or use the exclusive Real Feel function for the optimal balance of temperature and humidity reduction. For added convenience, this unit is also equipped with motorized airflow control, as well as a biosilver coating that helps to prevent the growth of mold and mildew on the filter. Comfort is made easy with the Pinguino Smart with Wi-Fi connection and smart speaker compatibility Whisper Cool Portable Air Conditioner.